Hi learners, in this video I'm going to talk about the various steps and measures which is taken by the government for promotion of small scale industries and also to overcome the problems which is faced by small scale industries. So basically the central and the state governments at various levels have been adopting a multidimensional approach by establishing very specialized institutions to promote small scale industries and also by offering financial, technical, marketing support to budding entrepreneurs so that they can overcome the problems which is faced in the development of small scale industries. Now let's look into some of the measures which is taken by the government to overcome the problems of small scale industries. The first type of measure which is taken by the governments to overcome the problems of small scale industries is by providing technical assistance. Now, basically, the small scale industrial units should be encouraged to replace their outdated modes of technology and outdated modes of equipments which they use in the production, and by replacing them with the modern techniques. Because by replacing the outdated technologies with the new technologies, the small scale industries can better face competition from their foreign counterparts. Further, even the products which is manufactured by small scale industries with this modern technology will be of much better quality, and also it'll modern technologies will sometimes also help the small scale industries to gain competitive advantage and also help in reducing the cost of production per unit. So in order to get all these benefits, the small scale industries are provided by technical assistance from the government. So basically, the government has established various institutions for providing technical training to small scale industries. So some of these institutions are Central Institute of Tool Design, National Institute of Design, Product and Process Development Centers. Small Industries Development Organization has also established various regional testing centers which help in tool designing and also in improving the product and process development. So apart from that, the next kind of assistance which is offered for small scale industries is physical facilities. Now, generally, small scale industries face a lot of roadblocks in their growth and development in the form of lack of basic infrastructure like transportation facilities, uninterrupted power supply. So, to overcome these bottlenecks, which hampers the growth of small scale industries, the government has established or it builds basically industrial estates. Now, industrial estates is the grouping of institutions engaged in similar product manufacture in at one place. So basically, in an industrial estate, the government should make sure that the basic infrastructure which is necessary for the growth of small scale industries, like proper transportation facilities, proper communication facilities, uninterrupted power supply, uninterrupted water supply, and all are available. So by providing physical facilities like industrial estates, the government helps in the growth of small scale industries. Now, one of the major problems which is faced by small scale industries is the marketing of their products at remunerative prices. So, therefore, the government intervention is needed in order to reduce the disadvantages arising out of market imperfections. So, basically, the government tries to strengthen the market research and intelligence and information systems so that the small scale industries are provided with appropriate information which they need for marketing their products. So basically, government designs various kinds of marketing support schemes for small scale industries. Like the government has designed a government stores purchase program, and under this program, the Director General of Supplies and Disposal arranges the purchase and sale of stores which is required by the various enterprises. Further, subcontracting exchanges are also set up for the benefit of small scale industries. Now, these subcontracting exchanges invite small scale industries to register their spare capacity with them, and after the registration of the spare capacity, these subcontracting exchanges approach the large scale units for seeking orders for these registered units. So, in this way, the government also helps the small scale industries to utilize their unutilized capacities. Further, trade centers are also established by the government to provide marketing assistance to small scale industries. Now, basically, trade centers collect and disseminate information relating to all types of small scale industries which are located in various regions. And these trade centers give full details of the products which is manufactured by small scale industries. Therefore, they act as a contact point for the buyers and sellers of products of small scale industries. Now, apart from that, the government also helps in internal marketing of the products of small scale industries, and the government also helps in organizing various exhibitions and seminars in order to promote the products of small scale industries. Fiscal incentives are also provided by the governments to overcome the problems of small scale industries. Now, fiscal incentives basically refers to benefits which is given to small scale industries from the point of view of the fiscal policy of the country, which is the taxation policy. Generally, in the initial period, that is the gestation period, when the small scale industries are newly established, the small scale industries incur huge investments, and the profits which they make from their initial business is not sufficient, to pay the taxes. So, in such cases, the government organizes schemes like giving tax holidays for new industrial undertakings. Now, tax holiday is a period during which the small scale industries are not required to pay any taxes on their profits. Further, capital subsidy is given to industries which are located in backward areas. Now, backward areas basically here means that to make sure that there is balanced regional development of all the regions of the country, the government has to make sure that industries are dispersed in all the areas of around the country. Now, small scale industries are generally set up in areas, the entrepreneurs want to set up these industries in areas where there are good infrastructure available. Now, generally in rural areas, the availability of good infrastructure is the problem. So, small scale entrepreneurs avoid, setting up their establishments in these rural areas. But but the government, if it wants to the nation to progress, it should make sure that small scale industries are also set up in backward areas and in rural areas. Therefore, where if with the small scale enterprises set up their enterprises in these small scale, in these backward areas, then in such cases, capital subsidy will be given to them. Apart from that, the government also gives a host of financial incentives or financial assistance to small scale industries. Now, basically, finance is the lifeblood of any business, and the problem of finance is a major problem or hurdle in the growth of small scale industries. So, timely financial assistance is a prerequisite for accelerating the growth of small scale industries. So, basically, to provide financial assistance to small entrepreneurs, the central and state government has designed various schemes and has also established various financial institutions which help in providing financial assistance to small scale industries. Generally, soft loans are given for the growth and development of these small scale industries. Soft loans are basically loans being given at concessional or favorable terms. Now, for the purpose of providing financial assistance, the government has set up various industries like Industrial Finance Corporation of India. Then we have Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India, which is ICICI. Then we have Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India. We have Industrial Development Bank of India, and a host of other various institutions which are set up in order to provide financial assistance to small scale industries. Basically, most of the small scale industries also suffer from the problem of managerial incompetence of the entrepreneurs. So, to overcome this problem, the entrepreneurs should be given proper training, and should be provided with the necessary skill to run an enterprise. So, the government, both at the central as well as at the state levels, have established a number of specialized institutions to provide basic training facilities to the entrepreneurs to establish and maintain and run the small scale industries in a profitable manner, and also to minimize the problems of small scale industries. So, there are various institutions which have been set up by the government to promote entrepreneurship. Some of these institutes are like Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. Then we have Center for Entrepreneurship Development. Then there are also various institutions which have been set up with the objective of promoting small scale industries. Now, these institutions basically play an advisory role and also act as an implementation agency. Now, because these institutions not only initiate appropriate policy measures and programs, but also help the small scale industries in implementing these schemes and programs. Now, some of these institutions which are established for promoting small scale industries are Small Industries Service Institute, Khadi and Village Industries Commission, etc. A sick unit basically refers to those small scale industries which have been continuously incurring losses for a consecutive number of years. So, in order to in order to rehabilitate the sick units, many measures have been taken by the central and state governments, like the Industrial Reconstruction Bank of India was established in the year in 1985 with the basic objective of revival of the industrial units which are facing continuous losses. Now, apart from that, the special cell has also been established at Industrial Development Bank of India. Now, this special cell basically carries out diagnostic studies in order to analyze the problems which have led to an industrial unit becoming sick. Further, the sick industrial undertaking cell has also been established by Reserve Bank of India. Now, in order to in order to rehabilitate the sick units. Now, in spite of the several problems which are encountered by small scale industries, umpteen number of solutions have also been designed by the central and state governments in order to overcome these problems. So, these were some of the steps which were taken in order to overcome the problems of small scale industries.